All right, YouTube, we're here with part 2 of the Tactical Evolution Blister box opening. Open first 10 packs and we'll open the next 10 packs right here. Out of the first 10 packs, we got 4 holos, we got 1 ultra and 3 supers. So at the minimum, looking for an ultimate and a secret out of these last 10, but don't know if we'll do it or not. Flint Missile, Flint Lock, Chrysalis Larva, Rise of the Snake Deity, and Spell Reclamation. So starting with just another rare. So don't think we're gonna get the 12 out of 20 holos like we did in the first 20 packs I've opened. So, but these packs could prove me wrong. We could catch a hot streak. Razor Lizard, Gift Card, Shield Spear, Venom Cobra, and Ocean's Keeper. Slight print defect, some splatter of different colors on that card. So that's a little different. So 2 packs, 2 rares. Maybe they'll just give me 2 secrets to compensate for all these rares I'm getting. But like I said in my previous video, you know, the ratio of holos kind of goes out the window in these blister packs. So did pretty well last time, so we're probably fifth hope. So that's a new super. Kind of probably doomed to not do well this round since we did so well last round. So out of 3 packs, we got 1 super and 2 rares. Still looking for that big card, the ultimate or secret. Elemental Hero Marine Neos. So another rare. Venom Snake, Venom Swamp, Chrysalis Chicky, and Doom Shaman. So another super, but it's got some pretty cool artwork actually. Alright, so we got 2 supers and 3 rares. So hopefully we can even it up here and get another holo. Common Charity. No such luck. Alright. Flint Missile, Flint Lock, Trap Reclamation. Alright. Got 3 packs left. Thousand Eyes Jellyfish. Well, that's different. So, yeah, pretty low ratio of this box, it seems like. We got 2 packs left, so let's see if we can finish with something good. Give me a secret at least. Really hoping for an Ill Blood or Venomanaga, the Deity of Poisonous Snakes. Flint Missile, Flint Lock. Man, we've had these 2 first cards, I don't know how many times. Rise of the Snake Deity, Dawn Breaking Gardener, and Crystal Seer. So ultra rare. So finally got a holo at least. Alright, last pack. 20 pack blister box. Can we go this box without an ultimate or a secret? Let's find out. Next, Chrysalis Larva, Venom Burn, Venom Serpent. Yes, we can. Venomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes. So just an ultra. So no secret or ultimate the entire box. So semi-disappointing box. Did get 3 ultras though. So recap out of all 20 packs. Crystal Seer, Phenomenon, the King of Poisonous Snakes, Synthonian, Emperor Dragon as our 3 ultras, and then we got Lucky Pied Piper, Elemental Hero, Neos, Alias, Zombie Master, Doom Shaman, and Fifth Hope. So probably gonna crack open that other box just cause I buy stuff to open, not to keep. So be on the lookout for that video. And thanks for watching. Thanks.